Let's say we have two numbers, 4 and 7. So we want to compare these two numbers. Like we have 4 and 7. These two numbers we have. So when we want to compare these two numbers, first we need some math symbols to compare the numbers. First we should know the symbols, okay, that we use. Symbols. What are the symbols? So this is a less than symbol. Like say fish mouth is open and that is trying to eat you, okay, so that means is less than. Okay, which side for the less than? This means is greater than. When both numbers are equal, that means equals. Okay, this is a equals to sign. Okay, the number is always on the open side. Okay, the number is always on the, we are going to use to compare the number is number line. So what we number have? We have 4 and 7. So if we will see, 4 is right here and 7 is right here. Which number is coming first? The 4. That means 4 number is less than and the 7 number is the greater one. Okay, so if you want to show, okay, so we will say 4 is less one. So our sign was the same one, right? Now the 4 is smaller, so that's why we use this one, this side, okay? And 7 is the greater than, and the mouth open is the greater one, okay? Now you got it, okay? Let's try with another example. Like if we will say 6 and 2, how are we gonna compare? So take a pause and check our number line if you can get it right, okay? Let me pause the video for some time, okay? Okay, I think you got it right. Let me tell you, here is the 6 and this one is the 2, and we know the 2 is coming first and the 6 is coming after 2. So 6 is greater than 2, okay? 2 is less than and 6 1 is greater than number. Now that's all for this video. I hope you got this one. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.